The remote MCP server is the easiest way to start, but Penpot also supports a local MCP setup. The local version is useful if you want more control, if you are working with local files, or if you want to integrate Penpot more deeply with your local development environment. To use the local MCP, you have two options. One is to use the npm package simply by running the terminal command npm. The second option is to download Penpot GitHub repository, navigate to the MCP folder and follow the README instructions to run the server. In both cases, once the server is running in your local terminal, you need to go to Penpot and enable the connection via the MCP plugin. Install it if you haven't already and use it to connect to your local server. In any case, you can follow the instructions on the Penpot help page if you have any questions.